Hi and welcome to this short tips and tricks video featuring our document download. The goal is to see how you can swiftly download documents and datasheets from your shopping cart. This is very simple. On your local Belimo website, go to the shopping cart. Click on it. Then go to View Cart. Click on that. And then go to Actions. And click on that. The pop-up window appears with the various options offered by the shopping cart. In this window, there's an area called Add to Download Folder, where all available document categories are displayed, which can be moved into the download folder with just one click. Select which documents you want with a single click. At the top, the download folder icon, you can see that the documents are really being packed into the folder. The number next to this symbol increases and reflects the number of documents in the download folder. Note, as a minimum, I would choose Installation Instructions. Clicking on the download folder icon will open a pop-up window with all the documents in the download folder. If you click on View Document Folder, this takes you to the actual download folder. Here you can unmark, mark, or delete as needed. By clicking on Actions, this opens another window that shows all that can be executed from this folder. An exciting feature is the Share selected via email. This opens an email, the link to download a zip file from with all the documents. This link is valid for 3 months. Even if the download folder has been deleted in the meantime, these documents are still available for download via this link. This concludes our short tips and tricks video featuring our document download. Thank you for your attention, be well, and stay healthy.